Welcome friends. Today we are going to study about kinematics of machine. In the kinematics of machine we are going to study about the introduction part of kinematics. So we are going to study in the introduction are the definition of link, kinematics of pair, kinematics of chain, what is the machine, what is the mechanism. This kind of terms we are going to study in the introduction part of kinematic of machines. Okay, so first term is kinematics. What is the kinematics? It is a branch of machine which deals with the relative motion between various parts of machine. In the kinematics we are going to study about only relative motion. We are not supposed to do an or we are not supposed to analyze the which kind of force apply on the mechanism or apply on the link. Only we are going to study about relative motion between two links or two parts. Okay, so in the kinematics the main study about relative motion between various parts of machines. So why kinematic analysis of mechanism? Okay, why kinematic analysis of mechanism means what is the importance of analysis in kinematic, right? Means what is the importance of kinematic analysis in mechanisms, right? So with the help of kinematic analysis we can determine appropriate movements. Second, determine an assembly configuration of mechanism component and subsequent analysis of the component motions for proper all-round operation of the mechanisms. Means we can study different kind of study in the kinematic, so we can get the proper result of mechanisms, machines and structure. So this is two examples of mechanism where excavator excavator are the mechanism. There are three kind of links. There are three kind of links which are interconnected with each other and having relative motion with each other. So we can study the kinematic analysis in this kind of mechanism, right? Now what is the element or link? In the kinematics of machine or the study of kinematics, there are a simple thing, means a part or a solid part which must have, listen carefully, which must have relative motion to some other part or some other rigid body, right? A fixed part or a machine, or sorry, or a link, a fixed part or a link which must have a relative motion with other part is termed an element or link. A element need not necessarily to be rigid body, but it must be a resistance body. Means it should be resist the force or resist the motion which occurs from others. Example, crankshaft, connecting rod, piston is also one kind of a link, right? So there are more many kind of link, but uh, one thing is necessary, relative motion between each other. There are many of kinematic links which must have relative motion between each other. There are different shapes of links, right? All links are having relative motion between each other. Now, kinematic pair. So, what is the kinematic pair? When two element or link, or we can say when two kinematic links are connected together in such a way that their relative motion is constrained. Okay, so what is the kinematic pair? Suppose two kinematic links are connected with each other. Now listen carefully, I prefix kinematic before link. So what is kinematic link? We have studied, right? So whenever two kinematic links means two links connected between with each other, two links connected with each other having relative motion, right? But the relative motion which is occurs must have constraint to form a kinematic pair. If if relative motion is not constrained, if the relative motion is not constrained, so kinematic pair can't be formed, right? So there are different kind of motions, like unconstrained motion, successfully constrained motion, and unsuccessful constrained motion, right? So we can form a kinematic pair. Now what is the classification of kinematic pair? There are basically there are two types. One is higher pair and second is lower pair. So what is the higher pair? Higher pair are ones consisting of lines or point contact while in motion, as in case of roller or ball bearing. Means when two kinematic links connected with each other by a line or a point contact, right? Or example, ball bearings, right? Or a sphere connected with a link, then the contact between the sphere and link is a point contact, right? So the pair form are higher pair. Now what is the lower pair? Lower pair are the one consisting of surface contact between two links, as in a pin joint or a slider is called as a lower pair. As an example, piston and cylinder, right? The cylinder is one kind of a kinematic link and piston is also one kind of kinematic link. Why? Because we, cylinder and piston having relative motion with each other, so they are kinematic link. And the whole surface of the piston is contact with cylinder surface, so there is a surface contact, so this pair is called as lower pair. There may be classified as turning pair, sliding pair, spherical pair, screw pair, helical pair, right, and rolling pair. This type of classification we can see in our next lecture.